Hello. I'm putting on a shirt. It's hard to put on a shirt dramatically. It's so easy to take off a shirt dramatically, unless you're John Green. I have very bad sunburn too, so that isn't helping very much. Why am I not? Why am I so quiet? Also, I have a lot of humor in real life. It might not be good humor, but it exists, which is a lot more than I can say for the humor that I have in this. Why can't I bring the humor that I have in real life to this? That would be ideal. I'm going to walk with you now. I've also been wondering why some sources spell Brazil Brazil, including most maps in my textbooks, but most sources spell it Brasil. Why is that? I'm gonna ask my social studies teacher. That's the benefit of still being in school. The downside is that you have to go to school. So that's the downside. There's a pillow here. I'm just going to make the rest of this video strange noises. So leave if you don't like those. I'm trying to protect a noise that I like, but it's really hard to get exactly. I am a giant squid omega. There we go. This is definitely long enough. Goodbye.